house looks great. My name is Alan Held. I'm the owner of Energy Smart Structures.
And I'm Clay Held.
That's right. Together we've had
about 40 years building energy efficient homes, passive solar, and about a 50-year combined experience in construction.
That's right. In 1995 we built our first passive solar home. We are an Energy Star partner and also a member of Cape Fear Green Building Alliance.
Yep. We also are an Energy Star qualified installer.
That's right. With Progress Energy, if you go and make your house Energy Star, you get a rebate. The owner gets a rebate, and it helps them pay for all the appliances and everything in the house, and he upgrades to Energy Star.
Right. So, what makes our homes different? The homes that we build, why are they different than the other things that are?
Well, I'm glad you asked. We have a whole list of features. Why don't we go inside and we'll look at the house and give you more information.
All right.
So here we have natural daylighting with these windows. Several of these windows are fixed and some are opening. They are casement windows and they have a solar heat gain coefficient of 0.33 and a U factor, which is basically our factor, of 0.27. So they're very tight windows. And in the walls here, Clayton, we like to people know what's behind the walls. Can you give them a vision of that?
Right. What's inside, as we said before, really makes the difference. On the outside, you kind of judge things on how they look, but we do special framing techniques such as 2x6 walls. It's a thicker wall than standard, which allows us to get more insulation in. We also have special techniques to let us get insulation into places that the average place doesn't do, such as California corners, things like that.
Yeah, that's correct. So we have blown-in cellulose recycled insulation. It's R21.6.
Right.
And has a fire retardant and also a bug repellent. So that takes care of that. And then over here, we have a mini split air conditioning system. Most houses just have a heat pump. This mini split is a SEER of 17. And this house was built so tight that we had to add a ventilation system.
That's nice.
And
that's nice.
It is. And that's built by a local supplier here. So we have a ventilation system that puts one part outside air with two parts inside air. So the house always feels comfortable.
That's great. What did the rater say about this place?
The rater, we had the lowest rating by Air by Design of any rater. It was 1 air exchange per day.
Wow.
So that's why we had to add the ventilation system, which makes the house comfortable.
So that's one of the tightest houses they've seen.
That is the tightest house they've ever seen.
Wow, that's amazing.
All right. So we'll take a look at some other things, maybe upstairs.
Well, one of the features of the mini split unit, it's got an electric eye that constantly scans the room to check the temperatures throughout the whole room. And it decides when to come on and when to cycle off. It also can run at a very low rate constantly rather than all the way on, all the way off. So it makes it a very efficient machine.
Right. I think they call that scrollable versus variable.
Right.
All right. Let's see what's upstairs. I love the open web trusses. They look great.
Yeah. These stairs are really neat.
So we have nice natural daylighting here with all the windows. And here we have our Mitsubishi mini split dual zone. And we have a ceiling fan that circulates the air through the house, through the mezzanine and the rest of the house.
I've also got a cathedral ceiling with spray foam insulation. It seals every gap, it fills the cavity. It actually gives extra strength to the building also.
That's right.
What's the insulation?
R30 plus.
R30 plus.
It's nice on the cathedral ceiling, so there's no heat gain in this upstairs.
Yep.
Yes, and as an Energy Star partner, we receive this certificate of validation.
And it reads, this certifies that the home built by Energy Smart Structures satisfies Energy Star for Homes criteria of the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. Energy Star labeled homes use at least 30% less energy for heating, cooling, and water heating than comparable homes built to the Model Energy Code. The U.S. EPA hereby recognizes Energy Smart Structures for its contribution in reducing pollution through energy efficiency.
That's right, and since we got the Energy Star certificate, Progress Energy gives a 5% discount on their monthly energy bills. So you know what that really does? It makes this house have a higher resale value because it holds its own, kind of like a hybrid car.
Right.
It holds its value.
Also, because of that, we've received a check from Progress Energy, which we'd like to share.
For $1,000, we will be giving this to the homeowner.
Right, we'll actually be giving it to the homeowner.
That's correct.
We want to encourage green building, and we want to do whatever we can besides actually building a place to help.
Right. So we also work on existing homes. We will make an analysis of your home and see if the ductworks leak or if there's any air infiltration. And we can make recommendations, and there's Progress Energy rebate for that as well.
Right, there's lots of little things that we can do. We can come in and make the determination whether you're ready to go solar panels or just change to an efficient shower head, and anywhere in between.
And replacement windows, whatever it takes, we can make your home more efficient.
Tell me about the water collection system, Alan.
Well, there's a metal roof that collects the rain. We have the gutter system coming down. There's a filter on the corner, and the water comes down into these huge water tanks.
How many gallons do they hold?
2,400 gallons.
2,400 gallons. All right.
Yeah.
And what happens to the water? It goes in there, and they just come down and get a glass and fill it up? Or?
Now there's a pump. It's pumped into the house. It goes through a filtration system. It has a UV filter and a particle filter, and it's used for all the house water.
So when the filter system is all hooked up, you can drink the water?
Yeah, you could drink the water. Yeah, I've in Maine we have a UV filter that we can drink water out of the lake. So it's for the gray water and drink your water if you want, or you could just bottle your water.
Nice. If you saw anything you liked in the video of the house, you can visit our gallery, which shows details of all the features, and also come by anytime to EnergySmartStructures.com to learn more about what we do. Thanks.
Thanks for your time.